My name is Andrea, and in today's video I want to talk about how to manifest a happy relationship or to improve an existing relationship using the law of attraction. Hello, my name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, make sure you click the subscribe button. But let's jump right into today's subject on how to manifest a happy relationship using the law of attraction as well as improving an existing relationship. You must learn how to control your own happiness before you might want to attract anything in your life. I want to mention some ideas and processes brought to us by Abraham-Hicks simply because I love their different perspectives that can be really helpful to you. The first thing that you might want to do is to think about those things that you would like to see in your partner and write them down. Think about those qualities that you are looking for. It could be something like, I want my partner to be funny, or I want him to be kind, or I want him to be loving, or I want him to be joyful, I want him to be positive, I want him to enjoy life, and something similar to this. Or you might have your own ideas. I'm sure you already know what you want. Now, if you already have a partner, you could think about all those things that you already can appreciate in your partner, because I'm sure that you already know him. I'm sure that you have things that you love about him, and I'm sure that you have things that you're not so happy about. But I would encourage you to look at the positive aspects that you see in him and appreciate every little thing that you can. So the more you appreciate the positive aspects that you see in him, the more you will attract more of that to you. Now you must be consistent about this process, because this brings forward these qualities from him by simply appreciating what is it that you love about him. You attract them even more from your partner. Have you ever noticed that some people bring the best out of you and other people bring the worst out of you? You can think it, how often it comes into your mind. You don't have to tell him words of appreciation, or you don't have to tell him anything if you don't want to. Of course you can if you want to, and of course the more you do it, the better. It has to be, you have to do it consistently, and no matter of his behavior. I mean, if something happens and it has a negative impact, then you should not stop appreciating. You should continue appreciating, because this is something that shall pass. It's something that it reflects his vibration. So the main idea is that you should think about them so consistently that you own them, and so that the universe can answer with the same vibration. The following step, after you have identified what are those things that you would like to see in your partner, the next thing that you want to do is to be that, is to become that person that you are trying to attract. Law of attraction brings to you the likes of which you are. So if you start to have those qualities like the ones that you desire in your partner, then you will definitely attract that which is a match with what you are in this moment. I have this wonderful quote from Abraham-Hicks that says, your joy is the greatest gift that you can give to anyone, because when you are not in your joy, you have nothing to give anyway. This is a quote from Abraham-Hicks. So what Abraham is trying to say, that when you are in alignment with who you really are, you have the power of influence. You are in the receptive mode to receive whatever you are desiring. You are receptive to happiness. You start to have experiences. You start to co-create together with your partner, and you both start to experience the relationship that you desire. So basically what they are saying is that you get happy by being happy, because most of the people want a relationship because they think they will be happy when they get it. Stay positive and you will attract positive situations. You will attract positive people. You will attract positive moments. The only thing that you can control is what you attract. You cannot control somebody else's behavior. You cannot control his vibration. The only thing that you can control is your vibration. And make sure that you are in alignment before you are trying to attract a new relationship, because you will attract something that is similar to you. If you are in a needy place and you need a partner, then what you attract will be another needy partner. Most likely you will not have a happy relationship. So the only thing that you can control is your own happiness. And another wonderful thing about being happy first is that you attract not only relationships and people in your life, you start attracting everything. You start attracting money, you start attracting your dream job, you start attracting your favorite car. You will attract all these things to you because you are in alignment with who you are, and the universe will give you all kinds of situations and relationships that will bring you the same happiness that you vibrate. This is a wonderful quote from Louise Hay on how to improve all of your relationships. When you're happy with yourself, then all of the other relationships improve too. A happy person is very attractive to others. Therefore, the first relationship to improve is the one you have with yourself. If you are looking for more love, then you need to love yourself more. This means no criticism, no complaining, no blaming, no whining, and no choosing to feel lonely. It means being content with yourself in the present moment and choosing to think thoughts that make you feel good now. Louise Hay. How to attract love to your life, from Wayne Dyer. Love can only be attracted by and returned by love. The best advice I can give for attracting and maintaining spiritual partnership is to be what it is that you are seeking. Most relationships that fail to sustain themselves are based on one or both of the partners feeling as if their freedom has been compromised in some way. Spiritual partnerships, on the other hand, are never about making another person feel inferior or ignored in any way. The term spiritual partnership simply means that the energy holding the two of you together is in close harmony with the source energy of intention. Wayne Dyer. In this world, everything attracts something. Those of the fire attract those of the fire, and those of the light attract those of the light. Rumi. Your task is not to seek for love, but to merely seek and find all of the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in a static motion. So this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Check out my other videos on the law of attraction. I will put the link in the description. And until next time, goodbye.